Are you wondering which drone is right for your school or organization? In this video, I'll give you my pick. This is a K12 Tech Minute. Schools around the country are using drones to capture high-quality aerial photos and video. There are many drones to choose from, but to me, the DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2 is the best blend of quality and value. This drone is equipped with a 20-megapixel camera capable of shooting 4K 60 frame per second video and features a 30-minute maximum flight time and long-range control up to 4.3 miles. A remote controller with a built-in screen is also available, which is super convenient. It also features an upgraded propulsion system with quick-release propellers that make the drone more aerodynamic. So, whether you're filming an outdoor event or just want to take your video production to the next level, you should definitely consider the Phantom 4 Pro version 2 from DJI. With your K12 Tech Minute, I'm Buzz Garwood.